Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your word fees. Dear students, you are watching Classic Science, chapter number 8, Plant, part 13. So let's start, dear student. Exercise A. Choose the correct option for each of the following. First, the part of a plant that carries both nutrients and water to entire plant, that is first is A, stem, B, roots, C, leaves, and D, flowers. So right option is what, dear students? A, stem. Now come to the second. Which one of the following is not a function of root? Question mark. A, root anchor the plant in the soil. B, roots draws up water and nutrients from the soil. C, root prepare food for the plant. D, some root stored food for the plant. So dear students, root prepare food for plant. Dear students, we know very well that is leaf prepare food for plant by the process of photosynthesis. So photosynthesis takes place in leaves, not in the root. So that is here question is asking not a function of root. So it is right. C option is correct. Now third, the main function of the stem is to first conduct water and food, prepare food. So dear student, A option is right, conduct water and food. Now fourth, which of the following is a characteristic feature? Dear student, before starting 4, we come to the third again. The main function of a stem is conduct water and food. B option absorb water and nutrients. C option prepare food, and D option anchor the plant. So dear student, the right option is conduct water and food. Now come to the fourth, dear students. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of scale leaves? Question mark. A, they carry out photosynthesis. B, they absorb nutrients from the soil. C, they are green and fleshy. D, they are stalkless and membranous structure. So dear student, D option is correct. They are stalkless and membranous structure. Now come to the fifth, dear student. The part of the flower includes A, style, B, sepals, C, ovules, and D, all of these. Dear student, these all of are part of plant. So D option is correct, all of these. Now dear students, come to the filling the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the correct words. First, the stem gets water from the root. So dear students, root and flower. So tick here roots. Now come to the second. The part of a plant that prepare food is the dash leaf / root. Dear student, we know very well the part of a plant that prepare food, that is leaf. Now third, the portion of the stem between two nodes is the dash internodes and flower. Dear student, that is the portion of a stem between the two nodes is internode. So right here internode and take here internode. Now come to the fourth. The dash of glory lily is modified into tendrils. Dear student, leaf modified into a tendril. So take here leaf and write here leaf here. Now fifth, the female reproductive part of a flower is called pistil. So dear student, that pistil is correct option and write here pistil. Now come to the C section of this exercise. State whether the following statement are true or false. First, the leaves of all plants have parallel venation. Dear students, it is false. Now come to the second. In a tap root system, there is one main root and several lateral root. Dear student, it is true. Now the stem work like in one way street, as it can only conduct water and mineral up the plant. Dear student, it is false. Now come to the fourth, dear student, on your page. Pollination in flowers takes place only by the wind or water. Dear student, it is false. Now, fifth one, apical birds are responsible for the growth of a plant. Dear students, it is true. So, dear students, you have to do this exercise part A, B, C in your fair notebook. Thank you, student. Stay home. Be safe.